Hey guys, quick review of Mary's Myrtle Beach boutique, and I'm gonna be straight with you. After digging into this store and looking at multiple customer reports, I would not recommend buying from it. A lot of signs point to it being a high-risk drop-shipping style website rather than a real local boutique in Myrtle Beach. First red flag, the branding. It looks like a small family-run shop, but there's no real physical store presence that can be verified. Second, product complaints. People report getting low-quality polyester items that look nothing like the photos. And third, the return process. Customers often say refunds are blocked, or they're pushed into keeping items with a small discount, or paying expensive return shipping overseas. The site also uses countdown timers and low stock warnings to rush decisions. If you already ordered, document everything and contact your bank quickly for a chargeback. Bottom line, I'd be very cautious here.